everybody? It's New Year's Eve.
Yeah!
We're having a burping contest. So,
Burping contest.
Emma can burp on demand.
I can't burp on demand.
Neither
so
can I. So
drinking a whole can.
Yeah,
Right here.
Diet
It'll
Coke.
be fun. Okay, 1 second.
All right.
Chugging.
Yeah, here
Okay,
we
let's
go.
I can't get one. See, Emma can get the whole fucking alphabet. I can't even get one fucking thing.
Okay, we gotta get a burp out before she gets to the end of the alphabet. Ugh. Oh, I don't drink pop.
Fuck, I don't drink pop either.
Okay, I feel it coming.
Yeah, I can't. I don't feel anything.
That's what she said.
Oh, it's coming. Why?
Ugh.
Oh my god, I feel all this pressure. Like,
I know, me too.
feel all this fucking pressure.
I'm on my last letter, guys.
Oh fuck. Fuck, you have to get one out.
Yeah. Oh god.
Done.
Wait, it's coming.
Emma obviously won.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.